on and off, let's say that. So guy waiting down there with lights on. These two people look like they're sort of conversing. And I think that might be the candle lighting psycho broad, I'm not sure. I can't see. No, I can't tell you. Okay, so let's kind of go here. We have a Mercedes, we have a white something, another Mercedes, so two Mercedes trying to get together. One, there's a white something in between it. As explained before, there's a second gray VW with this VW. I don't see it at the moment. Two whites here. And at the very moment in time, all these are forwards right here. Over there. Okay. And just gonna sort of pull back here, see how they react, see how angry they get for something that nobody can give a flying fuck about. Oh, this is the guy. This might be sort of the, I can't tell. The people are sort of harassing me for yeah, it is. They might be blocking me. Oh. Hey, sorry about your brother. I read your thing.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
What did you read?
I just read the sign and the dates and all
really?
that.
And were you the one who sat here
Hey.
and put that all over?
Hey, what are you fucking doing? What are you fucking doing?